What is up? Welcome back. God damn, that sun bright as a bit. I wasn't expecting that when I hit the corner. Anyways, what's up with y'all? Welcome back to another video. Hi neighbors. What are we doing today? Couple things. So first things first, today I'm gonna go get new tires put on the Beamer finally, because it's been about that time to put tires on that thing. Nothing too crazy today. I just know I'm gonna put the tires on the Beamer, probably clean them up, clean both cars up, probably gonna clean the G up too. They both are dirty as fuck. Before we start this video, go add me on Instagram. I mean, if you're watching this video, then you already got me on there. Add me on Snap. DM me for a sticker. I told y'all the first 10 people that hit me up with nice Stance G's, I'll get the first 10 people free stickers. But your G has to be nice and I have to approve. So G35 or G37 doesn't matter. Just hit me up. Let me know. I'm trying to get this group big. Let's get on with this video. That's how I'll give you guys a cold start of the Beamer first. I just dropped my daughter off to school. I'm like, let me start this video now. Freaking 7 in the morning. Start it up now. Get it out the way. Cold start. Loud ass car. Whoops. Slamming doors. We'll let her idle for a little bit while she's idling. Let's talk about tires that I'm getting. So I'm getting some tires from this used tire shop up the street. Reached out to the guy. He has like some tires that are like pretty much brand new, so all I'm gonna do is destroy them anyway, so there's no point in me spending hella money on a brand new set of tires just to be destroyed, because I'm thinking about going to a car meet this weekend, and if I do decide to go to that car meet this weekend, then these tires are just gonna be destroyed anyway. So I just want something on here that's way better than what I have, because right now I'm hanging on the wires and super sketchy. I don't be wanting to go far because I be scared that the tire gonna pop on me while I'm somewhere far. I don't be wanting to go fast because I don't want the tire to pop while I'm going fast. So fuck that. Can't drive like this every day. Oh wow, my app was clicking. Fastest way to get there. That felt great. First thing in the morning. Freaking axle sound like shit though. Alright y'all, so I just pulled up here. Got the 2 tires already. Waiting for him to put them on for me. I hope he don't think he finna put me up on that ramp right there though. Cause I am not gonna clear that. He can forget it if he think he finna put me up there. He gonna snatch my whole bumper off. And then he gonna be buying me tires and he gonna be buying me a new bumper. Cause I'm not gonna fit up there. He gonna have to jack me up, man. He gonna have to jack me up, man. Not getting on that damn alignment rack. That shit gonna be fucked. I can barely see up under the front of my car from right there. So I know I'm not gonna clear that shit. Excuse me. Oh yeah, they over with. Slicks. Slicks, baby. These gotta go. Getting me jacked up right now. You know it's bad when you got leftover tires inside of the brakes and shit. What the fuck? See if I got some more over here. Oh, this side good. Gonna keep our little threads. Look at these. Could have been a lot worse.
I've had it put almost the whole entire tires wrapped up around the axle.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Whew. I ain't let it get that bad. I thought that was bad enough.
Oh yeah, that's bad enough.
Right? But we're gonna let him do his thing. Get the new tires put on. Put them coilovers in there. Time for a wash. Definitely time to be washed. All this shit on here. I ran through a puddle yesterday and it wasn't just water, clearly. It's all on my roof. Alright y'all, so we good now. Tires put on. Yay. Now I can actually drive the damn car and not worry about, oh, what if my tires blow up? What if my tires bust? What if this happens? I can't see shit. Oh, police out right there. I was gonna fly out that bit. Jit ass sitting right there hiding in the cut like I don't see him and shit. Let me get over. I feel confident hitting twisty turns with this car now. Y'all seen those tires now. Y'all witnessed that firsthand, how I be doing tires in this car. So I don't want to hear nothing from people that's saying that they don't like E46s because they're not reliable. Yeah, right. I literally beat the doggy out of this car. If y'all go watch my video when I went to the car meet, slaying the streets when I'll put a card up right now. Go watch that video. You'll see how I beat the crap out of this car. Now I feel confident hitting these turns. Speed limit 35 when doing 60. So we home now. Got the Beamer right here. Got the G right next to it. Left some space in between, but I'm gonna turn the G around real quick. I can have them both facing me. But I guess I can give you guys a cold start of the G now, since I'm gonna have to move it. turn it around real quick. Alright, got both of them sitting here. Got both of them sitting here nice and pretty, but they dirty as a bit. Let me get my water and stuff ready, and then we're gonna begin this process. Alright, so now we're gonna dry the fan real quick, because my brother lost my damn thing to wash the car. He's in Virginia right now, so I'm gonna go to AutoZone real quick, get us another one, and then he gonna pay my ass back because he got me fucked up. Alright, just leave AutoZone. I can never record on AutoZone because they always have music playing, but we got our good stuff that we need to wash the car up. I'm gonna go back to the house. The G-stop's very good now. I had a slam on brakes earlier just for the hell of it. Perfect. Stops perfectly every time. Alright, just got back home. Pulled the G back in the yard. I'm about to wash these things up because they look gross. Got the G pollen all over the damn car. Just been sitting up on this damn tree. Follow me. Follow me. At me. If you're watching, then subscribe. Anyways, damn, I wonder if they didn't even get a shot of the car. Let's get it, baby. I'm gonna put my speaker on, hit y'all with a time lapse. I'm finna get these bitches clean. Okay, I don't know when the camera stopped, but I really hope I was recording this whole time and I wasn't. Either two possibilities right now. Either I wasn't recording that whole time or it passed 30 minutes and then it stopped and I didn't know. Anyways, look at that pink though. Yeah, y'all be thinking it's black. It's really not all black. It's got red flakes up under. Don't forget it. Thank you. Thank you. I'm done though. The G paint is shit. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to wrap this thing. This paint is shitty. Orange peel everywhere. Not sanding buff, it's dull. Not shiny at all. I can't wait to get this shit covered up. What's up, boys? Finally, I get to meet y'all like face to face. You know, I'm Nick. Yeah. Saw y'all YouTube. That shit booming. Yeah. 40-something thousand. Yeah, like 40-something K, right? We're at 53 now. 53 now? Yeah. Yeah, y'all can do that bad. What's up, y'all boys? These basketball boys right here. I'll put a link in my matter of fact, I'll put it right here. What up?
What up?
But yeah, what's up with the camera though?
Yeah, they wanted to know about like
a good quality camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was saying you.
I was thinking about a camcorder.
Yeah, he's thinking about camcorders, but I know YouTubers use
like
DSLRs and mirrorless cameras.
Yeah, it's a lot lighter. I don't know. It's just something about them. They're a lot better than holding the camcorder too. I think Adam LZ used a camcorder. I don't remember though. But this one's good. Like feel how light it is. It's big, but it's super light, right?
Yeah.
It weighs like 1 pound.
Yeah, that's a good weight.
Yeah, and then like you can get the different lens for the front. Like, all right, wiping it down. It's been not clean how I want it to be though. That shit I'm using sucks. Probably that freaking rag too. I mean that little sponge. Set y'all back up on a time lapse. Alright, so they all cleaned up now. Now I'm about to I'm gonna park them in a nice way so I can take a good little thumbnail of them. So just watch for that. There we go. The shot's still not as good as I wanted it to be. It'll do. I'm just gonna put a little bit closer to it. Man, it's clean though. Look at them light. Look at them eyes. I see them eyes. Nice and clean, nice and clean, nice and clean. Got B over here shining too. The paint need to be a little bit more new. Rumbling-ish. If you haven't already, go ahead and smash that like button though. I ain't gonna wash again though. I can't wait to get this paint off of here or get it wrapped up. That's ugly. Gotta fix this hood right here. Still got the dimple. Yeah, right there. Got the new tire. Oh, I didn't even show you guys the tire. I'm tripping. New thread on there. Yeah, no more wires hanging out. We good for a while now. Let's not go beat the hell out of it again. Which I probably won't anytime soon because I don't want to buy any more tires right now. But yeah, thank you all for watching though. I'm gonna end the video here. Baby number 2, baby number 1. Smash that like button if you haven't already. We're gonna be having some new collabs coming up with some new people that I've been meeting too. So y'all be up, y'all stay tuned for that. Add me on Snap. Add me on Instagram. Subscribe to the channel. If y'all ever see me honking wave, I wave back. But that's gonna be that.